Namaste and welcome to day 15 of Mindful 30 journey, and today's day is about release. Yes, with that, let's get started in a very comfortable seat. Keep your eyes closed. Find some time to draw stillness in body and observing how you're breathing. Joining the hands at center, let's chant Om sound together to start our practice. Inhale. Om. Have a simple intention for this practice. Gently release. Beautiful. We'll start in today's practice with all fours. So I encourage you to come onto your floor, get onto your knees and your palms, relax your shoulders and chest. We'll start with just moving the hip left and right. Nothing else but just letting go of the hips left and right, swaying the hips. Yes. Our hips have a lot of emotion stored in them. So when we're talking about release today, our intention is to release everything, not just physically, but also mentally and emotionally. And that is going to be possible with the help of our hips. So let's focus our attention on the hips and let's see what we feel in the process. With that, you can stop your swaying of the hips. All we have to do is, you're just going to take your hands ahead and drop your right knee between the palms. Keep your shoulders long. See if this is comfortable for you. And from there, we're just going to drop the left thigh down and up. Just a little bit. And up. Down and up. Down and up. You can add your head. Look back as you do that. Last one. And release. Slowly go back and change sides. So left leg coming ahead this time. Long spine. And just dropping the hips down and up. Dropping your thighs down and up. Yes. Close your eyes and try to see what your body is feeling as you do this. And slowly come back. This is awesome. Alright, from here, I want you to take your right leg to the side. So I'm going to do it with my left leg first. So take your right leg on the side, just in line with your hips. Okay, your feet is inwards. And from there, you're just going to arch your back. As you do this, you'll feel some stretch happening on the inner thighs, the groin region. Just stay there and just breathe. Slowly release. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So, step your left leg outside, arch your back and stay. That's beautiful. You can get your legs back. From here, I encourage you to come into Malasana, which is Indian toilet pose, also known as Asian squat. If you need a block underneath your hip, you can place that. If your heels are off, that's absolutely fine. You're going to join your palms and press and push through the elbows to keep your knees out and away. Long spine, relax shoulders. Close your eyes and just stay there for some time. From here, you're going to drop. So first, slide your left elbow down. So your armpits get locked, and then drop your left hand down, right hand up, and just breathe. Keep pushing both the knees backwards. Slowly bring your hands to the chest, and same thing on the other side. Drop the right elbow lower and down, and take your left hand up and breathe. That is really nice. Focus on breath. Get your hands back. I'm just going to do this sideways so you can see me. Walk your hands ahead and lift up the hips 90 degrees so your hands and body is parallel to the floor. So you can keep your hands down on the floor, or you can challenge yourself by lifting it up and stay there with me. 10, 9, almost there. 8, 7, smile. 6, 5, 4, breathe through it. We're almost there. 3, 2, and release. 1. Oh my god, that was so good. Really nice. All right, from here, just keep your hands behind. Drop your right knee down and up, left knee down and up, right, left. Good. Right and left. From there, slowly sit on your hips. Take your right leg on top of your left thigh. And from here, we're just going to lengthen our spine by pushing into the hands as much as you can and push the right knee away from you. Relax it and breathe. Awesome. From there, just take your hands through. Other side also. One hand goes from the between and the other hand from the outside. Pull yourself closer as much as you can, keeping your spine long, and just breathe. Slowly release. Take your heel away from you, release the right leg and go for the left side now. Left heel perpendicular to the floor, long spine. Try to push your chest closer to the legs. Close your eyes and breathe here. From here, we're going to take left hand from inside, right hand from outside, and pull it closer to you. Roll your shoulders back and stay. And slowly release. Take your legs away. We're going to open into butterfly. Okay. So when we do butterfly, the idea is to let your legs loose for now. So first, release your legs, close your eyes, and just let it flap naturally. Yes. Flap the wings of the butterfly. Don't hold anything back. Relax your face. From here, okay, watch. So you have to try and use all the strength in the legs to close the knee. And your hands will use all the strength to fight that leg trying to close. And then we'll create a resistance here, okay? So push from your hands and push from your legs. Let's do it. 10, 9, push harder. 8, 7, 6, 5, a little bit more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Let go of the leg. Close your eyes and just breathe. One more time. Let's do this. Push. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Harder. A little bit more. A little bit more. 10, 9, 8, 7. Let the knee come closer to each other and push from the hands. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Ooh. Just take one hand and push. Try not to push directly on your knee. Use your thighs and push. Other side. And release both the hand. Lean ahead and down. Lean ahead and down. Last one. Lean ahead, down. Close your eyes and sit here. Just breathe. Alright, from here, you're just going to place your hands behind. Get your heels away from each other and drop both the knees on the right side. Just stay there. And then drop both the knees on the left side. Stay there. To the right. To the left. To the right. Last one. To the left. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Don't let them crunch you like this. Yes. And slowly center. From here, we're just going to do a very simple hip release. So you're going to take your right leg over the left. It's okay if it's here, it's okay if it's here, wherever you can naturally bring the knee as closer and above each other. From here, you're just going to go down as ahead as you can and release your head. I'm releasing every inch and corner of my body. I'm trying to release and let go of things that do not serve me. I'm trying to release and let go of things that are not contributing me in this process. I'm releasing things that are bothering me in my head right now. I am releasing the things that are bothering me in my emotions right now. I decide to let go of things that are not in my control. I decide to breathe and release with every exhalation I make. Slowly come up. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So change legs. Make sure both the hips are on the floor. And walk your hands ahead as much as you can. Trying to repeat the affirmations that you are personally connected and feeling towards right now. Repeat your mantras. Repeat your affirmation. With every inhalation, I bring all the tension back to my surface. With every exhalation, I make sure to release every tension that is up on the surface right now. I deserve to move on and I deserve to release. I give myself the permission to release and let go. Slowly come up and come back to seated. That was a beautiful practice, and I really hope you had a good time in letting go and releasing the things that do not serve you anymore. I encourage you to lie down for next 2 to 5 minutes if possible and then carry on with your day. Have a beautiful day ahead.